Good evening, friends. This is Anupam Tripathi from Fight for Animal Rights India with a very important message for all of you. And my message is this. A lot of you may be aware of this video that has been doing rounds of two medical students, I am told final year students from Chennai, from some leading college in Chennai, who have gone on a terrace with a 3 to 4 month old street dog, and one of them has decided to very sadistically and deviantly throw this 4-month puppy street dog from the top of the terrace, while his other idiot, rascal criminal friend is recording this entire video. We are of course told that since this video went about doing its rounds on social media, a complaint was filed by some good animal lover NGO in Chennai, and police is in the lookout for these two rascals and they will nab them very soon. That's one part of it. Now let me come to the frustrating part and the reality of the situation. Friends, something that you should know. You should know there is a reason why these kind of cases are on the high. People are going to the terrace tops and throwing puppies. They are tying up street dogs to their cars, to their motorcycles and dragging them. These kind of cases are coming up every day. The reason is as follows, which I must share with you. Friends, section 428 and 429 of Indian Penal Code, that is currently the law that may be looked at as handling such situations, unfortunately is found to be futile in matters of street dogs. A lesson that I learned the hard way after the Kerala issue I took up. You see, section 428 of the Indian Penal Code as well as section 429, while they do talk of 2 years and 5-year punishment, they attach a value to an animal. 428 says that an animal of the value of 10 rupees and more, and 429 says an animal of the value 50 rupees and more. If a person destroys or kills an animal of 50 rupees and more, he is punishable with up to 5 years imprisonment under 429 IPC. And if a person who destroys or kills an animal of 10 rupee value and more, he is punishable with 2 years imprisonment. Now the problem that happens in street dogs is there is no value that can be attached to these dogs. For example, X kills a cow of Y. Now that Y, who had purchased that cow from source ABC, and the cow was giving him milk, that cow had a value to it. Value of more than 50 rupees, more than 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 rupees. If X decides to kill that cow of Y, Y can very well file a case under 429 of Indian Penal Code and send this guy to jail for 5 years, up to 5 years. Now take the case of dogs. Assume I purchase a dog from a puppy mill, from these rascal criminal puppy mills. I buy a Saint Bernard dog, a Doberman Pinscher dog, a Labrador dog, and I purchase it against a receipt from this particular pet shop for 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 rupees. Somebody kills my dog, my pet dog. I can very well file a case under 429 of Indian Penal Code, send this guy to jail up to 5 years. The problem with street dogs is there is no value that the law recognizes to attach to them in terms of this monetary value. This value of 10 rupees or 50 rupees or more, which is a qualifying value for section 428 or 429 to be attracted in cases of street dogs. Unfortunately, that does not happen, because a street dog, you can't attach a value to it. So 428, 429 IPC goes out of the window, unfortunately. What remains is at best section 11 of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act. Under section 11, of Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act, any form of cruelty, brutality done to a dog, even a street dog, is very much punishable. But the problem is that the punishment is so minute. In fact, for the first act of such cruelty, including killing of the dog, in this case a street dog, is only a fine of rupees 50, extendable to 50 rupees, I think. Only in the subsequent crime the fine goes higher. And the maximum that is awarded in a heinous crime, that too also not first but subsequent, is a punishment extendable up to 3 months. So these rascals that have thrown the dog from the terrace, unfortunately the law that will be applied to them will be Section 11 PCA. 428, 429 won't even come in. These guys will get bail faster than a case was registered against them. And at best, even if they are convicted, at max they will get 3 months, which will not be the case. The truth is 99.9% they will get away with paying a fine of 100 rupees. And they'll be out. This is the problem. This is why these cases are on the rise. There is a very well-intentioned NGO from Delhi that has gone in Supreme Court to look at these laws again. Very good effort made by them. Friends, there is an animal welfare bill pending since 2011 in the Parliament. This bill, if it becomes an act, it has far stricter punishments for cruelty to animals and in case of death and killing of animals. I urge all of you to build pressure on our current government. Make your 2-minute videos, share it amongst your friends, tweet them to the 545 MPs, member parliaments sitting in the parliament, tweet it to the current government, to the environment minister, to Prime Minister Modi, to ministers, to MPs in the opposition, and ask them to pass this law. This law I have gone through, animal welfare legislation. It is a very good bill. If it becomes a law, it will have far greater punishment. And then these kinds of crimes will stop. And if at all they still happen, these people will be put behind bars. They will not get bails easily, and when finally convicted, they will go to jail. Until animal welfare bill becomes an act, unfortunately, only the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Section 11 Act and 428, 429 IPC will be in play. In all cases of street dogs, IPC sections will never come into play. Only PCA will be attracted, and PCA is a toothless provision. And these crimes will keep happening. I urge all of you to build up pressure for our current government and our parliamentarians to pass the animal welfare legislation bill. If animal welfare law bill is passed and becomes an act, our animals would have their day in court, and a better day in court, especially for our street dogs who are currently being killed day in and day out. This is my message to you. Please start tweeting to our ministers, our parliamentarians. Please start sending messages on Facebook to these parliamentarians. Please start writing letters and sending emails to them. Build pressure. Express yourself. Have the animal welfare bill passed in the parliament. Make it a law. That happens, our stray dogs would be safer. Thank you.